So the next thing I want to talk about is this problem here, log base 2 of x plus 7 is equal to 2. So we can solve this fairly easily. Remember that b to the y equals x is the same as the log base b of x equals y, okay? The textbook uses different terminology, but that's basically how you do it, okay? So then my base is 2, so I'm going to write this as 2 raised to the 2 is equal to x plus 7, okay? So then I get 4 equals x plus 7, and then you subtract 7 from both sides. And I get negative 3 is equal to x. That one's pretty easy.